You be where? Be over where? Where's there?
Mommy, right here.
No. Mommy's gotta get her butt off the couch.
What?
Mommy's gonna get her bum off the couch.
Why?
Because,
No, you just get off the couch.
are you gonna make supper tonight?
No.
Who's gonna make supper?
Daddy?
No, Daddy's at the new house.
House?
New house?
No, he is.
Yeah, he is. He's dropping stuff off.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Remember, Mommy put all that stuff in the car yesterday so you could go to the new house. Yeah. So he's
New
dropping that off
house.
right now. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, he is.
No.
Well, then where is he?
Home.
No, he's not at home. If he was
Yes,
at home, we'd see him right now.
He's at home.
No.
Yes, he is.
No.
Yeah.
How old are you? How old are you?
I don't know.
How old will you be next week?
4.
Very good. So how old are you now?
2. That's number 1 in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
No.
How many more days till we move to the new house?
6.
4.
No, 6.
No, 4.
6.
Yeah, I think you're wrong.
6.
Everybody.
6.
6? Are you sure? We have Friday, and we have Saturday, and we have Sunday, and we have Monday. That's 4, dude.
No. 18.
Are you a food disturber?
No. 16.
Who are you hugging?
Nobody.
Who are you holding? Who's that?
Big puppy.
That's Pink Puppy. And who's the other one?
Pink puppy is in this arm.
No, Pink Puppy's in the other arm.